Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. As part of software testing tutorial, today I'll show you how to create parameter in Selenium TestNG test. So in order to do that, we need to open our earlier tutorial test case. It is the test script which we created our earlier tutorial. If you are new how to create TestNG XML and TestNG test, you can watch that video from my channel. So here basically when we created this script, here URL is the hard coded, username is the hard coded, and also password is the hard coded. We can avoid those things. Basically, when real life you want to do the testing, there are several times you can use your URL, user ID, and password. If anything change happen, your user ID, password, or URL, you need to change all the test cases, whatever you have. Instead of that, create a TestNG XML and create parameter. You can use parameter everywhere so that one place you can change in TestNG XML file that will affect every other places. So this is our previous test case, and that is the application we log in, log out. That's the script all about. So let me open the TestNG XML file. This is our TestNG XML. So basically here is the parameter example is our test class. We need to create a parameter over here. So parameter over here, you can create parameter suite level or test level, anywhere you can create. So basically when you will create a parameter, there's the parameter. First you see that automatically it created everything. Name, basically we are putting URL over here. Then value is the whatever we used over here. Control C. Later on we will delete that one. So value is that one. Thereafter we need to create another two parameter. Control C, then Control V, sorry, hit enter, Control V, then. So second parameter URL is username. Let's say user name. Then value is, we need to remove this one. Value explained in our test script. Value is the standard user. Copy that and also paste it over here. Third one is the password. User password. And value we need to copy from hard coded one. Secret sauce is the value. Copy from here and paste it over here. So here is our TestNG XML level. It is done. Now we need to create parameter in our test class. Here is the test class. We need to declare that parameter over here at the rate parameter. Then you need to parenthesis, within parenthesis curly bracket, we need to define our parameter name over here. We have three parameter over here. Now you can observe this thing, parameter is a red mark. So mouse over, we need to import that package. So if you see the parameter, it is basically parameters, not parameter. So mouse over, you see there are import parameter com.beust, not that one, org.testng. This need to be import. You see it is imported parameter. So now first one is the URL, second was the username which we declared user username, third one is the user password which we declared in our TestNG XML file. If you see over here, URL, username, user password. all the parameter we mention after the annotation over here. Now here is our method. We need to declare 3 string. Let's say string username. You can define over here as a different name, then it doesn't necessary, it needs to be matched like whatever we put in the TestNG XML. So first one is the URL, string URL. Then we need to define another one, string user password. So that's all we declared over here. Now we need to replace hard-coded value to parameter. Here you need to replace with URL. Here we need to use username. Here you need to replace user password. So the purpose for this, if you have a multiple script, so if there is user ID password has been changed, then you need to go every script and you need to hard-coded value you need to change. There is a lot of time consuming task. If you create TestNG parameter and it is put it on the XML file, and that XML file communicate with all the test cases. If you have multiple test cases, you can use the test class over here, then it will work accordingly. So now save it, also save the test class. You can run it from here, right click, run as TestNG test. Also from the XML file you can run, right click, run as TestNG suite. If you click over here, either way you can run from here. So same script, the way it works before, now it will work the same way, only the difference is hard-coded value replaced with the parameter. It's login, it goes to the, now it will be log out, thereafter it will close the browser, and also it is printed the message and test case is passed. In this way you can create your TestNG parameter in Selenium. So I believe those who are new in software automation testing as well as Selenium TestNG, this video will be very helpful for themselves. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question regarding this, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.